Okay, I'm back. That only took about 3 minutes, and I got a nice rolling boil here with my water. So I just take my cup out, pour the boiling water into the oatmeal, and how much water you use is up to you. Some people like the oatmeal real stiff, some people like it real wet. I just mix it in here. And just set the cover back on. Let that set for maybe a minute. In the thermos, it keeps it nice and hot, keeps in all the heat. And then I can enjoy this. Let's see, how much time is this? 1 minute. What else can we talk about? Now, like I said, I used this milk jug. Ooh, that's warm. I use this milkshake mixing cup, which I just happened to, stumble upon. You can use your beer cans that some people like the Heineken beer cans. I'm pretty sure that'll fit in here. All of this stuff is adjustable. You just change the size of the can to match the size of what you want to use for a boiling cup. Unfortunately, around here they don't sell the Heineken in the 24-ounce mini keg, so I haven't been able to find one. I guess I'll have to find one on eBay or something. Let's see what this flame looks like. And that's still burning pretty well. That was, I think this has been about, well, it was 3 minutes for the boiling time, and that's only maybe an ounce of alcohol in there, so that works. And I can just put it out with the lid, let it cool off, and I can put my stuff away. So, if you don't mind, I think what I'll do is end this vid here and go enjoy my oatmeal, which, believe me, I love this stuff for breakfast. So thanks for watching. Look forward to your input, your feedback, and watch for Max. Bye. Good boy, Max.